Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories. Today, we're diving into a unique chapter of American motoring, this car, 1961 Dodge Lancer. A car that didn't just roll off the assembly line, but rather rolled into a rapidly changing era of the American automobile. The year was 1961. The American auto industry was shifting. Compact cars were rising in popularity, and Dodge, known for its bigger, bolder models, needed to enter this competitive compact space. The answer? The Dodge Lancer. Though it lived a short life, the Lancer left behind an intriguing legacy worth remembering. Built as a rebadged version of the Plymouth Valiant, the 1961 Dodge Lancer was Dodge's first compact car offering in many years. It shared the same A-body platform as the Valiant and was essentially Dodge's way of entering the compact segment without starting from scratch. Still, the Lancer had its own unique styling that set it apart from its Plymouth sibling. From the outside, the 1961 Lancer carried a distinct look with its sharply defined lines, upright grille, and stylish tailfins that echoed the late 1950s. Although smaller than the traditional Dodge models, the Lancer carried itself with elegance and flair, designed to appeal to buyers who wanted a practical car without giving up style. Available in both two-door and four-door configurations, the Lancer came in several trim levels, including the base 170, the 770, and the Sporty GT. Each model offered slightly different features, but all carried the same basic compact charm, and more importantly, Dodge's engineering prowess beneath the sheet metal. Under the hood, the 1961 Dodge Lancer came standard with the reliable 170 cubic inch slant-six engine. Known for its durability and innovative design, the slant-six was tilted at a 30-degree angle, allowing for a lower hood line and better weight distribution. It produced about 101 horsepower, which was respectable for a compact car of its time. For those wanting a little more zip, Dodge also offered a 225 cubic inch version of the slant-six, boosting power up to 145 horsepower. This engine gave the Lancer a bit more muscle and made it one of the quicker compacts on the road, a trait Dodge would later expand on with performance versions in future models. One standout feature of the 1961 Lancer was its unique, push-button, automatic transmission. Instead of a traditional gear shift, drivers selected gears via a series of buttons mounted on the dashboard. This feature, while a novelty at the time, added a futuristic touch that separated the Lancer from many competitors. Inside, the Lancer offered a surprisingly roomy interior for a compact car. With bench seating, a wide dashboard, and thoughtful use of space, it was designed to feel larger than it looked. The use of chrome accents and patterned upholstery gave the interior a sense of mid-century style that's now considered classic. Dodge positioned the Lancer as a practical alternative for families who wanted the economy of a compact car, but the comfort and flair of a full-sized model. It was aimed squarely at buyers cross-shopping cars like the Ford Falcon, Chevrolet Corvair, and Rambler American. The Lancer also had a reputation for strong build quality. Owners often praised its mechanical reliability, smooth ride, and ease of maintenance. These qualities made it a favorite among budget-conscious buyers looking for a dependable daily driver during a time when imports were just starting to gain a foothold. Despite its strengths, the 1961 Dodge Lancer faced a tough market. Competition in the compact car segment was fierce, and sales didn't quite meet Dodge's expectations. Many consumers still associated the Dodge name with larger, more powerful vehicles, and adjusting to this new compact identity took time. Production of the 1961 Lancer was limited to that single model year, although the nameplate continued into 1962 before being retired. In total, just over 74,000 Lancers were sold in 1961, a modest number by industry standards, but enough to make it a notable effort in Dodge's evolution. Today, the 1961 Dodge Lancer is a rare sight on the road, but it remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate its unique place in history. Its compact size, reliable powertrain, and period styling make it a nostalgic gem from an era when American automakers were experimenting with form and function. Classic car enthusiasts often restore the Lancer for its distinctive looks and mechanical simplicity. Parts for the slant-six engine are still widely available, and thanks to its shared platform with the Valiant, maintenance is relatively straightforward even today. Though the Lancer was eventually replaced by the Dodge Dart in 1963, its brief existence helped pave the way for future compact Dodges. It showed that Dodge could adapt to changing market demands while still offering a product that carried the brand's spirit and style. More than just a footnote in Dodge's timeline, the 1961 Lancer was part of a larger shift in American automotive culture, a move towards smaller, smarter, and more efficient cars that reflected the values of a new generation of drivers. Thanks for joining us today on this journey into the story of the 1961 Dodge Lancer. It may not have been the most famous Dodge ever built, but its place in history is secure, remembered by those who drove it, those who worked on it, and those who simply admire it from afar. If you enjoyed this episode of Old Car Stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own memories or thoughts about the Lancer in the comments below. Until next time, keep those engines running and those stories alive.